Ik had niet zoveel motoren verwacht hier nu. Ja. Dus wel. Nou, misschien moet ik dan gewoon geen terrasje pakken. En dan doe ik dat onderweg wel even. Lijkt mij een goed plan. Ah, gaat er net één weg. Quite hot. Yeah, yeah, please. Well, yeah, no worries. You're a long way from home.
Yeah, not too far.
It's a holiday or?
Yeah, just going to second day.
Okay.
So going Germany, Switzerland, Austria. Yeah, long way.
And a couple of weeks.
10 days.
10 days. Oh. So you have to hurry.
Yeah, 220 mile a day.
How much?
220.
Miles.
Yeah. So about 350 kilometers.
Yeah. Ah, doable.
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy as this. Easy.
So it's 1200?
Yeah, 1200. Good bike.
It's, yeah, it's easy ride.
You local? You
No, from Holland.
Oh, from Holland. I'm going to Arnhem,
Arnhem.
Nijmegen, and Schwenningen.
And?
Schwenningen on near what they call it? Near Rotterdam, the beach. Schwenningen.
Scheveningen.
Yeah. Going there. So
Ja. Nee.
can't wait.
You have to go to Zandvoort.
Yes.
Formula One.
I'm for racing, isn't it?
Yeah, racing. Yeah, next weekend. But for me it's a day trip. So I'm from Holland, where I live, to here. I left this morning at 10:15.
Oh, it's not bad.
It's a little 1 hour 45 minutes without stop.
That's good, that.
Yeah. Luxembourg is 1.5 hours.
Yeah, I'm going to Bastogne next.
To?
Bastogne, Belgium. Where the tanks.
Yeah. Nice.
Battle of the Bulge.
Yeah. Nice. Well, have a safe journey.
Yeah, thank you.
Come home safe.
Yeah.